Catherine McKenna, I'm the Minister of Environment and Climate Change. On est ici à Ottawa for the Ottawa Riverkeeper River Parade. Aujourd'hui, on va aller avec la sentinelle des Outaouais pour voguer en ville.
Having everybody together, bringing awareness, and everybody kind of sharing their love for the river and being on the water totally makes other people see how important it is.
Il y avait presque 400 participants sur la rivière, avec tout à partir des planches à pagaie jusqu'à un énorme bateau de croisière. On avait des kayaks, on avait des canots, c'était vraiment fantastique.
Ottawa Riverkeeper was formed essentially to protect the Ottawa River and its whole watershed, so that's really our goal, is to get people connected to the river so they'll love it and protect it.
I'm particularly excited because it's Canada 150, but also because the Ottawa River received heritage designation, both the Ontario and Quebec side.
La mission, c'est vraiment de protéger la rivière, non pas seulement la rivière des Outaouais, mais vraiment tout le bassin versant, donc qui couvre à la fois le Québec et l'Ontario. Donc c'est une grosse mission, mais ça nous prend la collaboration des communautés, puis cette collaboration-là, on l'avait aujourd'hui.
The reason we held a parade on the river is that at Riverkeeper we think it's really important for people to connect with the river. We want them to be out on it, we want them to understand how beautiful it is and how much fun it is. And when people start to love something, they protect it.